Okay, so this is the tent. I mean, not a tent. This is the guest house that Ellen and I are staying in oh, I'm sorry, in this little village. Here's Ellen. This is my so-called bed, and this is Ellen's. Ellen has a pretty green mosquito net. It's very hot here.
Oh, it's very hot.
And we're trying to figure out if we brush our teeth where we're going to spit.
Never mind brushing our teeth. If we go to the bathroom, what are we going to do with it? Put it in the next room.
Because the bathroom is like, what they call the bathroom is very far from where our tent is. And there's like these rickety steps we have to go down. Okay, over and out.